Which one of the following is an incorrect statement regarding mycoplasma? Option A. They lack a cell wall. Option B. They are smallest living cell. Option C. They cannot survive without oxygen. Option D. They are pathogenic in plants and animals. The correct answer is option C, which is they cannot survive without oxygen. This statement is incorrect because the mycoplasma, they can survive without oxygen. Select the pair that consist of plant or animal bacterial disease. Option A, cholera and typhoid. Option B, citrus canker and crown gall. Option C, malaria and dengue. Option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option D, which is both A and B. Cholera and typhoid, citrus canker and crown gall, which is the disease is caused by bacteria, but the malaria and dengue, which is caused by protozoa. Bacteria are grouped under 4 categories according to their shape. Study the given figure and select the correct option regarding this. Option A, Cocci, Bacilli, Spiralia, Vibrio. Option B, Spiralia, Bacilli, Vibrio, Cocci. Option C, Bacilli, Spiralia, Vibrio, Cocci. Option D, Bacilli, Spiralia, Cocci, Vibrio. The correct answer is option C, which is figure A is Bacilli, figure B is Spiralia, figure C is Vibrio, and figure D, which is Cocci. Read the following statement regarding methanogens and select the correct option. I. They are included in the group Archaebacteria. They are responsible for the production of biogas in gobar gas plant. They live in hot sulfur spring. They are strictly anaerobic. Option A, statement I and 2I are correct. Option B, statement I, 2I and IV are correct. Option C, statement I, 3rd, 2I, 3rd I, IV are correct. Option D, all statements are correct. The correct answer is option B, which is statement I, 2I, IV are correct. Given figure is of filamentous blue-green alga nostoc. Identify the parts marked as A and B. Select the correct option. Option A, heterocytes, mucilaginous sheath. Option B, vegetative cell, mucilaginous sheath. Option C, trichome, cell wall. Option D, mucilaginous sheath and heterocytes. The correct answer is option A, which is heterocytes and mucilaginous sheath. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the structure of a typical cell? Option A, cell possesses naked circular DNA which is folded to form nucleoid. Option B, cells are surrounded by a peptidoglycan cell wall and a mucilaginous sheath. Option C, cell possesses well-developed membrane-bound cell organelle. Option D, ribosome in this cell are 70S in nature. The correct answer is option C, which is cell possesses well-developed membrane-bound cell organelle. This statement is incorrect because this statement is correct for the eukaryotic cell, not for the typical cell or prokaryotic cell. Dash is the most common method of reproduction in bacteria. Option A, binary fission. Option B, endospore formation. Option C, conjugation. Option D, sexual reproduction. The correct answer is option A, which is binary fission. Cyanobacteria are classified under which of the following kingdom? Option A, Monera. Option B, Protista. Option C, Algae. Option D, Plantae. The correct answer is option A, which is Monera. Dash bacteria oxidize various inorganic substances such as nitrate, nitrite, ammonia and use the released energy for ATP production. They play an important role in recycling of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, sulfur, etc. Option A, photosynthetic autotrophic. Option B, chemosynthetic autotrophic. Option C, parasite. Option D, saprophytic. The correct answer is option B, which is chemosynthetic autotrophic.